Hello, my friends. My name is Emily. I am a teacher. I live in the city. Today I will tell you about my daily routine as a teacher. I will speak slowly so you can listen and understand. While you are listening, try to speak at the same time as me. Copy my words, my speed, and my voice. Do this many times and your English will sound more natural. Remember, learning English is like learning any subject. You must practice a little every day, and soon you will see the results. So, are you ready? Let's begin. I wake up early before the sun rises. The city is still quiet. The air is cool. I open my window and take a deep breath. It smells fresh like a new morning. I look outside. The streets are empty. The sky is slowly turning from dark blue to light orange. It is the start of a new day. I get out of bed and stretch my arms. Then I get dressed for work. I wear my teaching clothes, a clean shirt, trousers, and comfortable shoes. These clothes help me teach all day without feeling tired. Next, I wash my face and hands with cool water. It makes me feel awake and ready. Before I go to school, I eat breakfast. I usually have bread, eggs, and a hot cup of tea. Sometimes I also have fruit. Breakfast gives me the energy I need for my work. When I finish eating, I check my bag. I make sure I have my lesson plans, my notebook, and my pens. I look outside one more time. The sun is now rising. The day is waiting for me. I walk to school. On the way, I see shopkeepers opening their stores and children walking to school. When I arrive, I greet the security guard and go to my classroom. I open the windows to let in fresh air. I arrange the desks and prepare the board. Soon, my students arrive. They greet me with happy voices. The first lesson begins. I speak clearly and write on the board. I explain new words and answer questions. I walk around the room to check their work. Between classes, I talk to students in the hallway. I remind them to study and be kind to each other. Sometimes I meet other teachers in the staff room. We talk about our lessons and share ideas. At midday, it is time for lunch. I eat in the school canteen. I have rice, vegetables, and sometimes soup. I drink water and rest for a few minutes. In the afternoon, I teach more classes. I help students read, write, and solve problems. When lessons are finished, I check homework and mark notebooks. Before I leave school, I tidy my desk and prepare materials for the next day. I make sure my classroom is clean and ready. Then I say goodbye to the students and other teachers. On the way home, I think about my day, what went well, and what I can improve tomorrow. When I arrive home, I rest for a short time. In the evening, I sometimes read a book or prepare tomorrow's lessons. At night, I eat dinner with my family, soup, bread, and vegetables. We talk about our day and share stories. It is always a happy time. Before long, it is time